Hadin ke jinglap ka Newtrap Youth Council ya ke jingdon palat shispa long Ïing ki Poiwir ki basabe anya lom survey hajan ka fire and emergency service yodo ha ka Jaka ka Shillong Cantonment Board na ka liang Deputy Commissioner ka East Kasil District USC Sadhu ha ka no phai singi ka shitarik jumang araja arsaw Ulakhot ya ka jialang bat CEO ka Shillong Cantonment Board u Ayush Muria nalor CEO ka Shillong Municipal Board u Piki Burong Habakran siglat thai khobor hadien ke jialang USC Sadhu ulong bahaka jingekran ka khlamdan kanu karai henrei kan sadon ka jingsngap na ka Ïing Kashari ni hering haka arpnyoterik jumang araja arpusaw habai dai bat ka jingpin kanria yaki basyong basa hakatei ka Jaka
illegal settlement in this Shillong Cantonment Board area. And in fact, this area falls under Defence Estate Officer Guwahati. So their representative also came to today's meeting and they have shared the entire history and what action has been initiated by them and what are the subsequent court proceedings. And in fact, we told them that we will write a letter to them to share all this background history and their action which has been taken up by them so far, so that they said that they assured us that in a day they will share this information. We will also study and that will help us to decide our course of action. But what transpired in this meeting is that, so initially there was a title suit for this land. It was given in favor of Defence Estate Office, so that is very clear. After this, when they issued eviction notice for this people who are there, specifying the boundary, so they went to court has given stay order that eviction has to be followed as per the law, with due procedure of law. So that basing on this, as per the latest in the month of December, they have fixed the date of 27th of May as the date for hearing, where the court asked the Defence Estate Office, that is to respond to the queries, that is notice. So after this, we are expecting, based on the discussion that we have discussed, a favorable decision in favor of Defence Estate Officer, and there we will decide the course of action. But at the same time, what we discussed with them is that as this place we are getting reports and complaints that this place is being used by different players for various illegal activities. So that's we are initiating with SP of East Khasi Hills for a detailed report on law and order in this area, so that we will take action as per this procedure also with respect to violation of any of this law and order. So we'll come in day or two. In fact, they said that they will get it ready in one or 2 days. They will send the report to us. It is already in the court. So court has fixed 27th May as the date for the decision. So we are, as it in the subjudice, we are not going for any survey as of now. But as I said, they are sending the detailed report as per their survey, because they have already done the survey and they have demarcated the land also. And this title suit of the land is in favor of the Defence Estate Office of Guwahati. So they will share the details, and as soon as we get the report, and we will share it with you also.
Kun ba Ïing ngiju shajing baman lakas ngi hato ngi laju perkhat ba kabam kabang ngi bam katain ya kamet jungi
mai ngiju bam kini kiju kijing baman lakas ngi balai kene kajing keliminta
kato ka dukan ration bapen yai uba raju uya tho yanga
Nrai man kapor yim juyo ai kijing bam ki batai kamet ki balong ka daw jong kijing pang anemia pat kijing brie jong ki kmat
ba kumno ngan lai nakini kijing stam
kong nangkong pide ban penmelin ban bam ya kijing bam ki bapha hakrukom bam jongpi bunsen kilong kmi bat ki kilong khana yo ya kini kijing pang namar kim yo ya kijing bam bantei ya kamen ka sarkar kelas dang ya ka food fortification ha ukhaw ata mlu kadut bat ka umpnyang bam baro kindon kijing bam ka bantei kum ka iron folic acid vitamin B12 iodine zinc vitamin A bat vitamin D. Yakini baro pila banyo na kijing bam badi haki dukan ration.
kata kamut ngi dan yu khau 45 pabyang bhabat ngi
mai uni khau tu bai biang ba Pitharai baro kin bang ban bam yu ni.
Kon ka fortification jong khao kan num khata ya ka jing mat ba ka jing long jing man jong khao.
Mai karukam ban bu ya ki ba karukam shet pat kala ban pher.
Om dei kon. Om dan jing pher la da dei ha ka rukom bu ne rukom shet. Kum ba fi ju shet yu khao ba fi thien. Kum ju ru la shet ya uni yu khao.
Okum ta.
Te kon ka jing bam ba ai ka kwat ka khia bat ka ba ai bor ya ka met ka phat bat ka bor per khat jungi hato dang dan ki jing bam ba kham bha ban ya uni.
Hoit mai fikran ya ka badai sisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya